With September on record as the deadliest month for COVID-19, with 41 deaths for the month and the cutback of the curfew hours for the month of October, the government of Ghana is aiming to contain the spread of the disease by intensifying its enforcement strategies. The alarming skyrocketing trend seems set to continue into the month of October, as 3 new deaths were recorded on the first day of the month and 9 in the last week alone. Against this backdrop, on Thursday, the National COVID-19 Task Force officially launched Operation COVID Curb, which is geared at providing stricter enforcement of the COVID-19 emergency measures. Chief of Staff of the Ghana Defense Force, Brigadier Godfrey Best, during a media briefing disclosed that under this new initiative, hundreds of soldiers will be deployed across the country to prevent curfew breaches.
The GDF will deploy no less than 500 troops alongside relevant stakeholders and partners, and we will interface with citizens utilizing a soft, cogent approach to ensure that citizens wear masks and wear them properly, practice social distancing, adhere to the restrictions of social events and curfew timings.
Brigadier Best noted that the soldiers will simultaneously continue to secure the country's borders. Meanwhile, Commissioner of Police Acting Nigel Hoppe pointed out that the Ghana Police Force will continue its public education and advisory campaigns in an effort to sensitize Guyanese about their social responsibilities amid the pandemic. Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony was later asked whether the decision to reduce the curfew hours could result in increased transmission of the disease. He responded by alluding to the delicate balance between health and the economy.
So what we are trying to do is to have a balance between protecting lives and also livelihoods. And that balance, we feel that if we increase or reduce the hours of curfew, that people can be allowed to carry on with their economic activity, but under the rules.
The new menu of measures to contain the spread of COVID-19 allows for supermarkets, beauty salons, barbershop, gas stations, clothing stores, restaurants, and other businesses to operate from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., while prohibition has been maintained on the operation of cinemas, private parties, competitive sporting events, gyms, and other social activities. During the month of September, the curfew was observed from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Businesses were ordered closed by 5 p.m. Timeka Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.